Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. So this is Joan from Team Iguana. Welcome back. Hi guys, so welcome back. So for today's video is we are going to bake some gluten-free protein bread. So guys, it's been 12 months na akong naglo-low carb and effective naman. So I started July last year. So ayan, mag-1 year na tayo. I think on 27? Yeah, if I'm not mistaken. Pero ayun na nga, magbe-bake tayo ngayon. So nakapag-bake ako last week ng ating cream cheesecake you must try. So I put the recipe on the description below on my video, on that cream cheesecake video. So let's start guys. So ang easy lang nitong bread na to. So paghalo-haluin lang natin yung ingredients. So here they are. So yeah, here are the ingredients guys. So super easy and we have 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and cottage cheese. So ayan, inopen ko na siya guys kasi binawasan ko siya ng konting curd. So medyo para hindi wet yung ating bread. And 1 cup of almond flour. So yan, almond flour yung ginagamit ko. This is almond meal. And 1/2 cup of sunflower seed. So pwede rin kayong magdagdag ng linseed seed or pumpkin seed. Pero yan lang yung available ko today. So yan, let's gonna do this one. Let's start. So we gonna put all the ingredients guys. So almond flour, 2 eggs, and our cottage cheese. Super easy. So guys, super undenial ko na ang laki-laki ko na. Yung asawa ko laging nagsasabi sa akin. So yan. And yun. And then nag-start ako na mag-try ng low carb. Then na-introduce ko rin yung self ko sa intermittent fasting. Which is dapat pag mag-intermittent fasting kayo is mag-low carb muna kayo. So ayan, imimix lang natin siya lahat. Walang kahirap-hirap. So yan. Then just mix. So, kung nahihirapan naman kayo, mix by hand is okay. Pero ako, okay na ako ng ganito. Then, we're gonna place into our pan, lined with the baking paper, to form a loaf on this one. So, look at the consistency, guys. Hindi siya masyadong wet at hindi rin siya dry. So, it's really nice. So, dapat, guys, is 500 grams dapat yung cottage cheese natin. Pero, isa na kasi yung cottage cheese ko. So, hinati ko lahat ng ating recipe. Yung ingredients. So, yan. Napakadali lang. O, diba? Mix, mix, mix. Then, we're gonna put into our pan. And, let's gonna bake this for 1 hour. And, naka-set na rin yung oven for 180 degrees Celsius. And, yeah. Our pan is ready in no time. So, let's gonna put in our pan. We're gonna put the ingredients as well, all measurement in my description below para hindi na kayo mahirapan. So, ayan. Must try this, guys, sa mga nag-attempt dyan mag-low carb. So, first, mag-low carb muna kayo bago kayo mag-fasting. Kasi yung mga iba, gusto nila yung drastic na pagpayat. Ang hirap nun. So, yan. Sasakit yung ulo nyo. Then, mahilo-hilo pa kayo. So, let's start. You start with low-carb foods. Then, mag-ano kayo ng intermittent fasting. At first, nakapag-start ako ng intermittent fasting is 16 hours. Then, after that, yan, nag-18 hours na ako. Minsan, yan, na-try ko na mag-24 hours. So far, okay naman siya. Lalo na pag nakapag-cheat din ako. So, yan, let's gonna put in our pan. So, ready na din. So, yun guys, before talaga, grabe. Nag-start ako is, ilan ang weight ko nun? From, I think, magsi-70 na ako eh. Sometimes 71, 72 yung weight ko nung nag-start ako. Then ngayon guys, so far so good. Nasa 59 kg na ako. Diba? One year din. Oh, not bad. Kasi, hindi kasi naman strict yung pag low carb ko. Sometimes, talaga hindi may iwasan. Especially pag may mga occasions, ganyan. Eh, nakaka-cheat din tayo. Kumakain din ako ng mga carbs na foods. Pero, yan, binabawi ko talaga siya sa fasting. Pag nakapag-cheat ako, yan, ito 24 hours ko lang, babawiin ko sa fasting. So, yeah. Then, yun na nga. Tuloy-tuloy na lang. I-maintain na lang yung weight natin kasi, yun, health is wealth. So, it's ready, guys. So, let's gonna bake this for 1 hour and 180 degrees Celsius yung aking temperature. So, let's bake it. Looks so good. And yung batter natin, yung look at that. Sure. And let's bake this. Oh, meron pa, sayang. Here you go. So you guys, let's bake this one. And let's wait for 1 hour. Waiting for 1 hour and our bread is ready. So we're gonna get it in the oven. Oh my God, looks amazing. Ooh, looks so yummy. So after 1 hour, guys, look at that. It's toasted. And which is, yun yung gusto ko. And yummy. And let's gonna cool this down. But I'm going to try. Itatap natin siya. Init. Ooh. Oh my God, so yummy. Medyo busog na ako sa kinain kong blueberry cheesecake, pero look at that. I'll try it. Ooh, so yummy. So guys, every Sunday, before ako papasok ng work, kasi yan, from Monday to Friday yung work ko today. So, ayun, magbe-bake na ako ng mga low-carb goodies ko para may makakain ako Monday till Friday. So, tastes so good. So, ginagawa ko dito, sometimes nilalagyan ko ng peanut butter. Which is, nakabili din ako ng low-carb na peanut butter. Yan, binibili ko siya sa Countdown dito. Yung mga taga New Zealand na gustong i-try. And may almond din. Pero, this is so good, guys. Yung may pagka-salty siya. Ako, pinipay ko lang actually. Black coffee is okay na ako. Yan, nagba-black coffee ako. Then, yan, sometimes pag bored naman ako yan, ipipress ko lang siya sa sandwich press. Then, egg lang ako, magbo-boiled ako, then I'll put some cube mayonnaise. And sometimes naman, yan, scrambled egg will do. It's really yummy. I must try. And thank you again for watching. I'll put in the description below for the recipe on this one. And see you again on the next one. Bye!